quartal harmony. If you looked at the 2-5-1s, the very first one was D minor 11 to G7 flat 9 to C major 13. The D minor 11 is not a dissonant pianistic voicing, well, unless you're McCoy Tyner, because it's an open. Does anyone hear McCoy Tyner? Any 3-note chord, whereas a 4-note chord can be inverted 3 times to create 4 different ways to play the same 4 notes. A 3-note chord, triad, minor triad, diminished triad, augmented triad, this is fun, functions like the diminished 7th, except there's only 3 of them and they are 4 frets apart. G, B, D sharp, B, D sharp, G, D sharp, G, B. So the augmented triad is similar to the diminished 7th chord. So that's it. Now these quartal voicings are none of those things because they're stacked fourths. I use them for modal comping a lot of times. You guys want to play Tipsy?
Sure.
That's a whole modal section in E Dorian. Yeah, colors, lovely, lovely. In E Dorian, where I can stack those fourths up, and I'm not comping a specific chord. There's so many people who play an E minor 7 and they'll play for the whole time, right? Just the one voicing, maybe with the 11th in there, like because they played So What. But it's a mode. Anything's good. It's not like 2-5-1s where the 3rds and 7ths are so important. It's every color is part of it. And yes, that like the 9 and the 6 are really important in Dorian.
Question.
Yeah.
Because that considered planing when you're going up and down? Is that the right term?
Is it? I don't think so. Not,
Planing implies a consistent intervallic
Exact
structure,
same.
yeah,
as opposed to it switching as you get through a key.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of times it's the same. I mean, 6 out of 8 of the same. 6 out of 8 of the shapes are the same because fourths are perfect, except there's one tritone in the key. So there I have a different shape there because there's a tritone here. But everything else is a perfect fourth, right? What am I in E? There's another tritone. Oh no, that's not right. Here's the tritone. There's the other tritone. There's only 2 different shapes, so it becomes pretty easy. But then I have 3 inversions of these 3 notes. This is F sharp B E. This is B B F sharp, and this is E F sharp B. And I know there's going to be one different shape there. I think I missed one. And those sound cooler, right? And so that's using some of those 2-5-1 voicings, but in a modal way. And that tune is called Tipsy. It's on this CD right here with that gentleman over there.